You click in this video to know about successful tips of Sunil Chhetri to apply in your life. Then relax, this video is only for you. Pause for a minute and take out your pen and copy and being ready to make notes. Before going to points, let's first know something important about Sunil Chhetri. Sunil Chhetri professional career start in 2002 when Mohan Bagan signed him before he was playing in City Club in Delhi. Sunil Chhetri got many opportunities in his life and he made every opportunity pass as if it was his last chance. The biggest achievement he gave to our country is by helping in winning Nehru Cup in 2007 after 25 years. Then won the Staff Championship in 2011. In 2012, he gave opportunity of controlling Indian football team as a captain. In today's time, Sunil Chhetri is third most active goal scorer after Ronaldo and Messi. Learn from mistakes. Sunil Chhetri loved to learn from his failure and mistakes that he did in the last match or matches. He believed that along with winning, a person should also be defeated, because as long as you keep winning, you will not pay attention to your little mistakes. And whenever you fail, you sit alone or with someone and analyze what, how and where did you do mistake. And then wrote down, and then you will start working on that mistake so that that mistake does not happen again. He advises us not to worry about the failure. Pick up a pen and paper whenever we fail and start with our schedule and find out the small reasons that cause the reason for our failure and improve them for not doing the same mistake once again. Explore. Sunil Chhetri believes that in today's time you cannot remain in the team because of the talent. You have to work hard to prove yourself. Sunil Chhetri says that when someone replaces me in the team, he must be better than me, because I cannot live with the regret that I worked less harder than the person playing in place of me. Sunil Chhetri believes that you do not work hard because there is a lot of competition. You work hard because you want to know your full potential. You want to know about your skills. You must learn from this point that you must work hard not to win from anyone but to win with yourself and upgrade yourself in a beautiful being. Devotion. When your goal or game is greater than you, when you do not know about the time while playing or doing tasks for achieving your goal, then your involvement turns into devotion. The meaning of devotion is great love for something. The act of giving a lot of your time, energy, etc. to something. That is devotion. And that devotion leads to a happy and successful life. Like Sunil Chhetri's devotion for his game of football. For the game of football, he gave his whole life, and therefore today he is happy and successful. Discipline. Sunil Chhetri says in an interview that people talk about six-pack abs and muscles, but I found the biggest difference with my discipline. Sunil Chhetri says that today I am mentally, physically, and energetically fit because of my discipline. Discipline determines the difference between a successful and an ordinary person. Discipline is a common area for everyone to achieve success. A great saying, discipline is the bridge between your goals and achievement. In last, we ended this video with Sunil Chhetri quote that getting opportunity is different thing and using that opportunity fully is different one. That's all for this video. Maybe I was able to contribute something in your life through this video.